All right, let's do a very easy all over pattern that if you can write cursive, you can totally do. We are basically going to make lowercase cursive L's all the way across and then all the way back. And it makes a really nice squishy kind of texture for your quilt, and you can do it as small or as large as you'd like. Now, I only have a little like 6-inch square right here, so I'm going to keep mine pretty small. But if you wanted to do this, you know, 3 or 4 inches high, this would make a really nice loose quilting for a quilt. So I'm just going to start by going up and coming back down, and I'm just going to pretend that there's just a line going across here. But if it would help you, you can go ahead and draw this line. So why don't I just draw a line? So I just have I'm going to use an air erasable marker here, and I'm just going to draw a couple of lines. So I'll do 3 sections of this. So that's all there is to it. Now you can go back doing the base here, or you could keep the base up here and do kind of mirror image L's. I'm gonna keep them all going the same direction. So here's our little cursive L's. I think this is a really fun way to finish a quilt. It's fast and it's very beginner friendly. So if you need to draw these lines, then definitely do it, because it only takes a second, and these little air erasable markers are great for that. So I hope you enjoy. I plan on using this on a quilt pretty soon.